Hello everyone, what's going on? It's Vijay here. Welcome to my Affincome Training Kits. Today I'm going to give you all run through of this product. Basically, this product is training based product, and which is going to launch. It's already launched actually. It's already launched today at 9 a.m. EST Standard Time, and this is a training based product which will teach you actually how you can start your affiliate marketing business as a newbie. Actually, this product is only for those who don't know about affiliate marketing, who is just a newbie and who just wanted to start the affiliate marketing business. So this is for those people's only. So if you know affiliate marketing and if you're already inside in affiliate marketing, so you don't need to have this product. It's just for newbie who just wanted to start their affiliate marketing business as a newbie. So this is for those people's only. So friends, and today I have customized some instant sorry uh, instant bonuses for you. It's very awesome bonus today because I have put some two insane bonuses there. It's a very valuable product bonus there. So let's let's jump into my bonus area. So if you feel this is really something for you, then you can click first link in the description box that I mentioned there, and once you click there, you will be landed on my uh, bonus page, which looks like somehow this. Okay, this is my bonus page, which says this special bonus page will comes down at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time uh, on Saturday, May 22nd. So this is my instant bonus page, and once you came here, you can see here it says uncover the closely guarded secret to instantly propel yourself into the big legacy as a hot shot affiliate marketer and see bootloaded boatloaded of commission flowing into your bank account. So with this you can have lots of commissions while you get this product. So and this bonus will be expired once the countdown becomes 0. So before the countdown becomes 0, you need to go and take the this product, so you will get all my bonuses. So let's sum into my bonus. What the bonuses are: the first bonus that I'm going to give is Boomerang Body Pro. You will have access for the Boomerang Body. Actually, this product is created by John Armstrong, my mentor. uh, Actually, in this having the Boomerang Body Pro, you will have traffic to your product, traffic to your business from Instagram. Actually, how does it work? It's in by this way you will find high profile personal in the Instagram, and you will buy the shout out from there, and you can use their followers as your traffic in your business. So it's very valuable product for you guys. And my second bonus is you will have a YouTube super traffic hack. In this section they will teach you uh, how you can get the traffic on your YouTube. Actually, every affiliate marketers whoever work in affiliate business, they need to have traffic. Sorry, they need to have traffic for the success and for get to get more commissions as well. So with this you'll have more traffic on your YouTube channel and YouTube videos. So more traffic means more commission, get success very quickly. So it's a very good bonus as well. So my third bonus is I'll give you the access for Continuum done for you. So what is Continuum? Continuum is actually a webinar making software. This is created by John Armstrong as well, and with this you can sell high ticket webinar as well. It's a done for you webinar. You can sell the done for you webinar that you once you get the this product, you will have this access for as well, access for that as well. You can sell high ticket webinar as well from this software, and you can make your webinar as well with this in completely free of cost. So my fourth bonus is uh, 10k email manifesto case study. So with this you will know that how you can make 10k subscribers in your email list. They will show you exactly how the process and how does it work, and full case study you will see here. And my fifth bonus is special bonus that the vendor gives to me and give to you. So all the vendors bonus you will have that vendor gave to me to give to you. And this is all about the bonuses. If you feel this is really good for you, the bonuses that I mentioned and the product that I talked before and I'm going to talk. So if you feel this is something for you, then click any of these buttons and you will have access, instant access, and you will landed on the page as you will be landed on the this page. And once you click here, you will have instant access for this particular FE income training kits. And on top of this, you will have all my insane bonuses that I mentioned here with completely free of charge. You don't need to pay anything for these bonuses. And even if you buy, there is no any upsells now. It's only 17 euro 95 up to 29 euro 95. You will have everything inside this. You don't need to pay anything for all my bonuses and all the vendor bonuses. So once you purchase that, once you click here, and when you come here, once you click this button, you will be have instant access for this. And to get access for all my bonuses, you need to go to your Warrior Plus ID, and when you click there, you will go to the purchase history, and in the purchase history you can see here access affiliate bonuses. Once you click this green button, you will have instant access for all my bonuses that I mentioned here. And let's jump into the sales page. Sales page looks like this. It says, looking for a financial security during this pandemic crisis, uncover the closely guarded secret to instantly propel yourself into the big leagues as a hot shot affiliate marketer and see boatload of commissions floating into your bank account. So it's very good statements, and you will have as everything they say. This is actually as the training video. Pandemic proof profit solution, affordable prices. So it's really affordable prices. 17 euro 95 cents is not $17.95 is not very big amounts. And you can see everything here. It's very lengthy page. They will show accordingly last year affiliate marketing spending in the US. So it's some testimonials, and you can read this in your own time so that you'll have all the knowledge about the product and before the purchasing this product. So you have to read all these things. So in this product, you will have everything. You will have there are two models. In the model first, you will see they will teach you step-by-step training videos. It's in 14 chapters. In chapter first, they will teach you how to what is affiliate marketing. They will show you what is affiliate marketing. In chapter 2, they will teach you how to set your Warrior Plus ID. In the chapter 3, they will teach you how to set your CBZU ID. In chapter 4, they will teach you ClickBank, how to make it ClickBank accounts, everything in about the ClickBanks. And chapter 5, they will teach you how to find affiliate product in any niche. In chapter 6, they will teach you how to choose best affiliate offers. In chapter 7, they will teach you how to promote products on Warrior Plus. And chapter 8, they will show you how to promote the product on JVZoo. And chapter 9, they will teach you how to promote the products on ClickBank. And chapter 10, they will teach you best selling niches on ClickBanks as well. And chapter 11, they will teach you how to find the bonuses for affiliate offers. And chapter 12, they will teach you how to use ClickBank engine. And chapter 13, they will teach you how to promote the products on Amazon. And chapter 14, they will teach you how to do niche research for the Amazon affiliate blogs. So there are the many things in the chapter module first, and there are module second, which says premier training guides on Affincome Training Kits and such as more. So it's one kind of training courses. Check it out yourself. So you will see everything here, and it's a case study here. Everything is here, and there are in this you will see all the chapters are in the different in different chapter. You will see here this is the chapter first. It says what is affiliate marketing. You can download this chapter as well, and you can watch this video and you will know everything about the affiliate marketing. How does affiliate marketing, how does it work, everything you can know here. And even if you want, you can download this video. All the chapters will be in different tab. You can open, you have to open all the chapters in different tabs, and you can download all the videos if you want. These are the if incomes training, and also there are some vendor bonuses that they're going to give you. It says, so this is the vendor bonus that you will have cheat sheets. It's valued it's worth actually $30. And this cheat sheets is a practical tool that will guide you with easy to follow steps. Whole training and easy and every aspects. Training is broken down into easy and executable steps that will help you master the process and keep the entire training at your fingertips. And you will have the second bonus is mind map. Actually, for all the affiliate marketers, they need to have their mindset of before they start their business in affiliate marketing. So first you need to set your mind, and then you will have your goal in one time. Once you distracted from your goal, you cannot have nothing in this field. So this is in this section they will teach you how you can make your mind set up everything. Here in the module third, they'll top resources report. They will teach you what is the top resources reports. This is the comprehensive research report on the affiliate marketing, includes videos, tools, training courses, forums, affiliate programs, photographs, facts, and case studies. And you can download this as well if you want. So this is it for now for Affincome training. If you feel my bonuses are good for you, if you feel that my bonuses is something important for you, you can have this you can have this product from the down below in the description box, the first link that I mentioned there. Once you click there, you will be landed on this page, and if you click any of this button, any of this orange button, you will be landed on the sales page, which looks like this. And once you click here in this button, you will have instant access for all my bonuses, and you will get this awesome product as well. And you can start your affiliate marketing business, and you can take your business on the top as soon as possible with this knowledge and with this training. So for all newbies, I can for all the newbies, I'm strongly recommend you guys to take this product and get benefited with this, with my bonuses on top of it. So all my bonuses are free for all my subscribers, um, so, all my customers who is going to buy this product from my links that I mentioned down below in the description box. Once you click there, and once you be landed on the my bonus page, and once you click this orange button, you will be landed on this. And once you click this button, you will have you'll get instant access for all my bonuses, and you will have access for this particular training based Affincome Training Kit as well. So this is for now. Thank you very much for watching my videos. And if you feel this is something important for you, just take this guide and start your own business. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.